YouTube, what's the deal, man? It's your boy P Ambition 23, and we back with another video, man. Before I go ahead and get started, I want to ask you guys to go ahead, like this video, comment, leave me some feedback. I want to go ahead and drop some knowledge on y'all boys as well, especially for those people who keep thinking all these shoes I'm reviewing is fake. This video is for y'all, man. But I do appreciate all the comments. All the feedback is greatly appreciated. All the new people that have come through to the channel, watch my videos and subscribe. I greatly appreciate y'all, man. Y'all can see from the title already what we have on deck. And I'm over here in Korea, man. So I'm gonna pop up a card showing you guys right about now when the shoe released over here in Korea. For any of those who have questions on whether this shoe is real or fake, here's the card for you guys to take a look at yourself, man. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into the video, man. Y'all see what we got on deck today. I'm gonna show y'all a little comparison between this shoe and the Shadow Backboards, man, just to give y'all a little rundown on what the quality is like on this shoe. Now, I unboxed this shoe, bro, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you. This shoe is definitely worth it. This shoe has nice quality leather on it, man. I'm talking about that tumble. When they said it was close to Shadow Backboard, if it's not Shadow Backboard quality, hey, they was on that. It was on point. But let's go ahead and get into the video, man. We're gonna start off with your box top. This is what your box top should look like whenever you get your retails, or if you guys gonna order from Gold, StockX, whatever. Matter of fact, I take that back. Don't order from StockX. But Gold Flight Club, same thing, man. But this is what the inside of your box should look like. You know, you get your little standard yellow box. I actually like that some of the Air Jordan 1s, they're coming with those different color boxes. I feel like, you know, it kind of gives you that vibe when you go in your closet and you decide, hey, look, what I'm gonna pull out today. Okay, so you got your paper, standard paper, whatever. Boom, then you got that shoe, boy. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you got a Nike tag on your shoe, riddle me this, how is it fake, my boy? Like, seriously, how is this fake? Here, let me answer any questions you might have. You see that? That's an authentic shoe, boy. Stop that. Stop that nonsense out there. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it, though, man. I'm gonna start off with your shoe tree. Show you what the shoe tree looks like. You'll have it'll read on the bottom, die cut sock liner. Now I do know some of the UAs are starting to pick up on this, so you know what I'm saying. Just legit check your pair, man. If y'all need to use check, whatever, man. Make sure your shoes are authentic. I'm gonna show you the insole. This is what the insole is gonna look like. You'll have your black Nike Air. And then I forget what this material is called, man. Someone comment down below. Let me know what's the name of this material. It's not the regular type of material that you get on the Air Jordan 1s. I forget the name of it, but yeah, go ahead and drop that down for me. Let me know. Inside your shoe, you're supposed to have that nice stitching. It's supposed to be nice and neat. You see that? What we got here? Let's see. What's the manufacturing date? Let me get that. We got 3/30/22 to 5/10/22. Y'all can see that. 3/30/22 to 5/10/22. Size 8.5. Outside of the shoe, let's get into that. So definitely, you got that nice leather. Look at that. That nice leather on that toe box. Outside, you got that tumble. This leather is butter. You got your black Air Jordan Wings logo. Going around to the back of the shoe, same thing. Nice tumble leather. You see that? Boy, these shoes worth it. I'm glad I doubled up. I'm still waiting on my second pair to come in. But yeah, y'all see that, man? The sole, you got your Nike Air in yellow. And I'm definitely gonna have some fits for you guys, man, so y'all can see how the shoe looks on feet. So y'all stay tuned for that as well. Nike Air on the tongue, black nylon tongue. Like I said, we always go over both shoes. So let me go ahead and pull the other one out. Look at that quality, bro. This shoe is definitely worth it. I'm gonna tell you right now, looking at the prices that's on StockX and Gold, you guys can go ahead and put in your orders and pick this shoe up right now. It's going for about retail. Y'all see the same ordeal, man. Same thing. Y'all tell me what y'all think, though, man. What y'all think about this shoe so far? Me personally, I'm in love, man. I don't know if it could be, you know, the #1 of the year. At least one of the top contenders of the year, man, honestly. If not the best runner-up for Jordan 1 of the year. I know we got those Chicago Reimagine or whatever name they decide to give it, man, because they switched it up so many times on us. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into this comparison as well when it comes to the shoe. So we got yellow toes, or what you want to call the Air Jordan 1 taxis, and then we got the shadow backboards. Let's do this one. Get it out of the way. All right, so looking at it side by side, y'all can see that. Make sure it's in camera. Yeah. All right, what y'all think? This is shadow backboard quality. You see that leather? Let's just look at that. Toe box. Of course, I wear my shoes, man. I'll lace them back up, you know. You're probably gonna have some people in the comments joking about that, but I like my stuff nice and neat, man. I try to keep all my kicks clean, because you spend all this money on kicks, man. You want to make sure that your stuff is being taken care of. So you see the difference. Really not too much. I mean, it would have been a little bit. This is a little bit more tumbler than this one, but I mean, hey, it's still a good fire shoe. There's the toe box look for you. Bring it around to the back. And the only thing that I don't like about the shadow backboards, man, when you wash or you clean your shoe with water, it starts to kind of take some of the color off of the shoe, man. I know a lot of people was having problems with that as well. Let me get to the Wings logo. What else? Yeah, that's about it, man. I mean, y'all see the quality itself. Practically the same, man. Practically the same. Y'all let me know what y'all think, though, man. Let me know down below what y'all think about the video, man. What do you think about the comparison? Like I said, I appreciate everybody that's coming through to the channel. You know, leaving some comments for your boy, leaving that feedback. I greatly appreciate it, good or bad. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the content, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna get onto this on feet. I'm gonna show you a little fit or two, and then we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. But y'all stay blessed, man. Like I said, thank you everybody out here that's viewing my videos. I greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to, you know, get a little bit dedicated to the channel, and let's go ahead and get into that on feet.